In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record prepaid expenses in QuickBooks Online. Prepaid expenses are payments you make now for goods or services you'll receive in the future, like insurance premiums or software subscriptions. Instead of treating them as an immediate expense, you record them as an asset called prepaid expenses so your reports stay accurate. Here's how to do that directly from your bank feed in QuickBooks Online. Start by signing in and looking to the left navigation panel. Click Accounting, then open the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll see the transactions flowing in from your connected bank and credit card accounts. Make sure you're on the correct account at the top so you're viewing the right feed. Find the payment that represents your prepaid item. Confirm it really is a prepaid expense by checking the vendor, the date, the amount, and any bank description. Expanding the transaction will help you see more details, and it reduces the chance of misclassifying something. Click the transaction to open it, then choose Categorize. This tells QuickBooks that you want to assign it to the correct account in your books. In the Category or Account field, change the account to Prepaid Expense. This is typically an Other Current Asset account. Selecting Prepaid Expense ensures the payment lands on your balance sheet as an asset instead of immediately hitting your profit and loss as an expense. That matters because you haven't used up the benefit yet. If it helps future you or your accountant, add a clear memo, such as the coverage period or service term, and attach supporting documents like a bill or receipt. These notes and attachments are optional, but they provide a strong audit trail and make month-end reviews easier. If you don't see a prepaid expense account in your list, check with your accountant or bookkeeper to make sure your chart of accounts is set up correctly. When everything looks good, click Add. QuickBooks will post the transaction to your prepaid expense account from the bank feed. You're done with the bank side part of the process. Later, as time passes and you use the service, you'll amortize the prepaid amount into expense on a schedule. But the initial recording is complete with that Add click. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Accounting, open Bank Transactions, select the payment, categorize it, choose Prepaid Expense, and click Add. With that, your reports will reflect the timing of your costs more accurately and keep your books clean.